Hi there, you're going to join me on 2 trips to 2 different Goodwills. I found these ironwood figurines of ducks in the brown section. I've sold ironwood figurines before, and I thought maybe someone would like some duck figurines. I also found in the bins when they were restocking this Beaumont Brothers pottery crock. It did have chipping on the lid, the edge, and so I did have it in my cart, but I did put it back. And when I first walked in the store, they had these in the case. This is Irish Dresden from Ireland, little bunny figurines. They're in great shape, no chips or cracks. And then I found this super cute chocolate poodle with spaghetti. It's unmarked. And then they also had in the case this miniature Westmoreland, kind of an opalescent glass. There's going to be kind of wonky footage here real quick because I'm going to look at the price tag with one hand to peel back to see if there is a label, and I couldn't find it. So sorry, I didn't mean to make anyone sick, but I didn't want to cut the footage out. I'm checking to see if there's anything new here. There's the FTD, the white milk glass. We saw that at the Goodwill the other day. And this was pretty fancy with the gold. And then that little planter pot green thing here had a contemporary sticker. So even though I liked it, I did leave that there. This was a fox souvenir from made in Canada. I would assume it was a souvenir from Canada. It looked like someone had a little collection of fox things because they had this piece, and then on the bottom shelf, I didn't show it, but there were some other fox figurines. I thought this was different. This was a box. And I'm seeing if this has a brand, a California pottery brand on it. It did not. I think that was missing its lid. And if I'm not mistaken, this piece, it wasn't marked, but I believe this is Joan Walsh England, and Mary Englebright was influenced by this lady's artwork. So I thought it was a nice little plaque, but I admired it, but I did put that back on the shelf. They had quite a few of these trays. It was from a local gift shop, and I found it interesting that they were individually priced and that there were so many of them. And it had kind of a strange little cork for your glass. And then I spied these. I was so excited. These are Buchan, I believe that's how you say it, Buchan stoneware. It is from Scotland. There were a whole bunch of plates. There were 3 small plates. And here are some sold comps. These are recent ones. I like to look at the recent dates of sold pieces. So there were 3 different size plates, and there were more of the salad plate size. There were 5, but when I got home, 2 of them were cracked, but they're so pretty. I put them under my plants for like a trivet, so they did not go to waste. And then here I'm seeing what else. What are you? What is this? What brand is that? And then behind these blue plates, I'm going to show you in 1 minute. There we go. This was not pottery. It was glass. It was so heavy. It was only $4.99, but it was a big statement piece. So heavy. And I think it was in really great shape. But just the weight alone is kind of a deterrent for me to ship things. I do like to stay away from heavy things because the shipping gets so expensive, especially the further away people are located from me in Pennsylvania. So I did admire it, but I put it back. And the last thing that I found on this trip to Goodwill was this Westmoreland chalice cup with a hand-painted band. I thought it was very pretty, and I had never seen this before, so I decided to take that. puzzle is from 1971. I had picked it up at an auction. Someone did not want it, so I decided to put it together. All of the pieces are there, and it was a lot of fun to put together. I hope you enjoyed this. And now let's go to the big Goodwill. I love it. Okay, how old are you? Adorable. I thought those were adorable, but I did not get them because I have just picked up some recent hobbyist pieces, but I do like to admire them. Here was a cute little mug. It was only one mug, so I did stay away from it. Jocelyn told me that she has this same piggy cookie jar, and so I decided, well, I want a cute little piggy cookie jar as well. So I decided to take him home, and he has no chips or cracks.
Look, there's all your milk glass.
There's all your milk glass. Oh, this is a salt and pepper shaker.
Oh, is that one?
My mom used to have bluegrass perfume, and then it was called bluegrass perfume, and I don't know who makes it.
Like bluegrass, like
I think it was called, yeah, like the music, but it was, I'm pretty sure it was bluegrass, and it was like for every year for her birthday. We would always get her bluegrass perfume, and I remember one year specifically getting her a candle scented, the bluegrass perfume in that cat, so that brought back that memory for me. I thought that this pot was neat. I like the outside of it with that kind of extra piece to it, that dark brown color. And then I found these. There were 3 of them. They were made in Japan. They're nice, sturdy, big soup bowls. No chips or cracks. They're very pretty, so I decided to take those. And this, I believe, is a stamp keeper. It is made out of solid walnut, and it was made by Park Sherman in the US of A. This mug was made by Laurel Birch. It is called Wild Stallions. It doesn't have a huge resale rate, but it had no chips or cracks. And even though I just said I was going to stay away from mugs, I didn't stay away from that mug. And this was, I believe, a hobbyist piece. It's really neat because when you sit it on a flat surface, it kind of tilts forward. So I thought that was nicely done. And here was another stained glass piece. This was very nicely made, this shamrock. And it has a little chain. It has no cracks to the glass. And I thought that this was adorable. I didn't get it, but I admired how cute it was. And then I found some Shopkins, and I said, Jocelyn, I think Juliet needs these for her birthday. And we both were talking about how we find them everywhere around the house. Here is a 5-cent Johnny Bank with a toilet. And my pig clock is still here. What I found a teeny weeny one. I do like those. It's not in there. That is. That's pretty. That is
damage
cool.
Either.
Is the flower glass too?
Yeah, the whole thing is glass.
That's beautiful. Oh, Andrea by Sink. That's cute. These are cute too. I like it. Ooh, that is a weirdo. I think you do.
Is it Santa though?
It can be. Oh, this is a modern one. It's a cute little face, modern. I went back and forth on whether I should pick up this snowman, but I decided not to. I was wondering what you could hang off his little tree trunk there. Maybe bells or garland. Then I found a huge tote of these cherished teddies. Beta is for bears, and they wanted $3 a piece for them. And I thought that was a little bit too pricey. And then also in the same tote were those pencil sharpeners. We usually see these at local museums, and I thought that was not for me. Glass down here on the bottom. It's huge. Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks like it would be dangerous. Oh my gosh, that is heavy. And what is this thing back here? He's fallen. No, I don't think that goes with it. And I like picking up new in the package vintage crafts, so I decided to pick this up. And here is everything that I picked up on both shopping trips to the 2 different Goodwills. I hope you saw something that you like, or you thought, hey, so-and-so might like that, because I am going to have everything listed very soon on my eBay shop, and the link is in the description below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I appreciate all your comments. I love reading the comments. I especially like them when you share memories, or it's something brought back something that you hadn't thought about in a while, and it brought back happy feelings, hopefully, not sad ones. So I really appreciate you supporting my channel and giving me a thumbs up. And I hope you have a great day. And I'll see ya.